You're going to like this one. This airdrop is live right now. It's Peaq's Get Real Season 2.
Complete real-world quests in apps like MapMetrics, Silencio, and Combinder, earn XP, climb the leaderboard, and get rewarded in PEAQ.
Quick facts. The reward pool this season is 210 million PEAQ. Payouts are vested. 1 month cliff, then 3 months linear. So the distribution stays healthy. The season runs roughly 1 month, so move fast.
Why people are excited. At current prices and pool size, top leaderboard spots can realistically add up to as much as around $5,000 in rewards. Obviously, your result depends on your rank and token price.
Here's how to jump in fast. 1. Open the link in the description, hit Get Real, sign up, and connect your wallet. Use the same email as in the participating apps so your progress tracks. 2. Knock out the onboarding quests for quick XP. 3. Focus high XP tasks, MapMetrics updates, Silencio field recordings, Combinder device tasks. 4. Return daily. Some quests refresh and streaks matter. Plan a small on-chain budget for swaps and liquidity if you choose those tasks.
Links in the description. I'll see you on the leaderboard.